Yeah. All right, so maths lessons for Benji, please, for Christmas. All right, it happens to all of us, folks. You have so much to do. This is me. So you end up doing, well, nothing. No, that's not me. Not if you can plan. The entire day passes by and you do nothing. How do you fix that? We're talking about scheduling issues this morning and how to make the best use of your time because scheduling is important. So we're talking about how to do it this morning. Nev, where do we start?
Well, it comes first from mindtools.com. So it says how you make it the best use of your time. It's the end of another busy day working, and even though it's all too busy for this to happen. Faced with endless meetings, frequent interruptions, and urgent last-minute tasks, you can easily be busy all day without making any progress on high-priority projects and goals. So the importance of scheduling.
Okay, so we're going to go through different steps. Step 1.
Understand that you can realistically achieve with your time. What you can realistically achieve. So that means you start the day and say, all right, I have 10 things to do, but I feel I can only do 5 of them. Is that what that means?
I think we're going to go here.
How to schedule.
Which is where I say time has gone. So identify available time, which also ties into what you just said. You start by establishing the time that you want to make available for work. How much time you spend at work should reflect the design of your job and your personal goals in life.
I don't understand that. But you know, a 9 to 5 schedule, you can't just get up 12 o'clock and say, well, I don't know, gone.
Correct. And even with a 9 to 5 schedule, sometimes 9 to 5 means 9 to 6, 9 to 7, 9 to 8.
8 to 8.
9 to 9. Forever. So
schedule essential actions. So you're blocking the actions you absolutely must take to do a job. These will often be the things you're assessed against. For example, if you manage people, make sure that you have enough time available to deal with team members, personal issues, coaching, and supervision needs. Also, allow time to communicate with your boss and keep people around you.
Okay. All right. Schedule high priority activities. So they say review your to-do list and schedule in high priority and urgent activities as well as essential maintenance tasks that you can't delegate or avoid. And you try to arrange these for the times of day when you're most productive. For example, some people are their most efficient in the morning, so you plan those for the morning time. Some are better in the afternoon. Problem is when you have a to-do list, which is often the case for very busy people, you go in with a to-do list.
And things add to the list.
Yeah, and by the time you go in, you have 10 things that end up on top of the to-do list, and everything is urgent.
So before you even start the to-do list, it's all 3 o'clock.
Correct.
Schedule contingency time. So schedule some extra time to cope with contingencies and emergencies. Experience will tell you how much to allow. In general, the more unpredictable your job, the more contingency time you'll need. If you don't schedule this time in, emergencies will still happen, and you'll end up working late. But even with the contingency time...
I don't think this person will work.
No. Even with contingency time, this thing's still going to happen.
Yeah.
And you're going to still have to jump in. And,
yeah.
And discretionary time, what's that?
The space you have left in your planner, if you have any space left in your planner, is discretionary time. That's time that's able or available to deliver your priorities and achieve your goals. Review your prioritized to-do list and your personal goals. Evaluate the time that you need to achieve them, and then you schedule them in. I can't do none of these things. Analyze your activities.
If by the time you reach step 5, you find that you have little or no discretionary time available, you need to go back through steps 2, 3, and 4 and question whether all of the tasks you've entered are absolutely necessary. It may be that some things can be delegated or tackled in a more efficient way.
And by the time you don't prioritize this list, rework, and you don't have the time to do the to-do list and something then.
All right, we're going to go for a break. We have news in 5 after the break, and then we come back here in Studio A. Stay with us, please.